Here figure 2, the given figure 2 is not a function because 4 have two different image. 4 have two different image D and E. That's why this one is not a function. So it means first one and second one both are not a function. Suppose if I will write here, this is f1 and this is f2. So see here, function f1 is equal to here 1a, 2b, 4c. So 3 belongs to set A, 3 belongs to set A, but there is no image, in set B. Therefore, this one is not, f1 is not a function. So similarly here, the given figure 2 is not a function because here f2 is equal to 1a, 2b, 3c, 4d, 4e. So see here, the first component is repeated here. So first component is repeated here, 4 and also here 4. So that's why f2 is not a function. f2 is not a function because first component is repeated. First component is repeated. Now figure number 3. So this is set A and this is set B, function f. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. And here A, B, C, D, E. So see here, one have image, here A, 2, B, 3, C, 4, C. So this is a function. So see here, suppose this is F3. Each and every elements of a set A have an image in set B. So see here, F3. F3 is 1A, 2B, 3C, 4C. Here, the first component all are different. First components are not same. So this is a function. This is a function. F3 is a function. Here, right here, F3 is a function. Is a function. Now, so this part is called domain. A is called domain. A is called domain. B is called codomain. B is called codomain, and here A, B, C is called the range. A, B, C is called range. So range here A, B, C. RF is equal to here. RF is equal to A, B, C. Domain is here DF. Domain 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And codomain is here A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. So see here, the first component represents the domain. First component represents the domain. Second component here A, B, C. So A, B, C is here range. And this complete one is the codomain. Here figure number 4, F4. Suppose this is F4, set A, here set B. Suppose here 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D, E. So see here, each element of set A, here this one is a function. This is a function because each and every element of a set A have an image in set B. That's why F4 is a function. See here F4. F4 is equal to 1, here A, 2B, 3C, 4D. So this one is a function because each and every element of a set A have an image in set B. If you will remove this one E also, then also a function. Now see here the vertical line test. Vertical line test. Vertical line test. Line test. See here y square equal to 4ax. For example, so this is a quadratic and this is called a right hand parabola. Later on I will discuss. X, x dash, y, y dash, here origin. When x equal to 0, y is equal to 0, passes through 0, 0. When x equal to, suppose here x equal to a, x equal to a, y square equal to 4a square. So y is equal to plus minus 2a. So coordinate become here a, 2a, here become a minus 2a. So see here, when you draw a line, vertical line, when you draw a line, so see here, this line dividing the parabola into two points, intersecting 2 points. One point is a2a and here a minus 2a. So see here the first component is same. So this one is not a function. So y square equal to 4ax is not a function. Y square equal to 4ax is not a function. Because the vertical line intersecting See here 2 points. If intersecting 2 or more than 2 points, then it is not a function. Now next example I am taking here. X square equal to 4ay. X, here x dash, y dash, origin. Let y is equal to a. So x square equal to 4a into a. So x square equal to 4a square. X equal to plus minus 2a. It means this is a upward parabola. This is a called upward parabola. So see here, when y equal to 0, x equal to 0, parabola passes through origin. So now see here, x equal to 2a, x equal to 2a, y is equal to a. This is the point. X equal to minus 2a, y is equal to a minus 2a, and here a. Now when you draw a line, anywhere, so see here, this is the line intersecting only one point. If intersecting only one point, it means x square equal to 4ay is a function. X square equal to 4y is a function. X square equal to 4ay is a function.